Whatever the capital goods you were having, whatever the capital goods you were having, or you are having the capital goods you would have purchased some months back or some years back, whatever the capital goods, on that credit you can have. Please remember, in case of capital goods, assume that today you became a taxable supplier. I mean, your supply becomes taxable today. Assume that you have purchased the capital goods on 2nd and 20. You purchase the capital goods on 2nd January 20. Okay. On this date, you were doing the exempt supply. You wouldn't have claimed the ITC. Now your supply becomes taxable on this date. Assume value is 25 crores, sorry, 25 lakhs, on which the GST is 18%. That means 4,50,000 GST is there. Okay. Understand this. Input is very easy. Whatever input is there on which you have paid the GST, you take that one. But whereas in capital goods, it is not that. You have paid the GST of rupees 4,50,000. When you purchase this one, you would have paid this amount. Now your supply becomes taxable. On this day, you wouldn't have taken the credit of this 4,50,000. Now you want to take the credit. You are eligible to take this credit. You need to reduce. I think I have told this one. You need to reduce 5% per quarter. 5% per quarter. From the date of invoice till the date when your supply becomes taxable, till that date, 5% per quarter you need to reduce. That means if you have purchased in the month of January 20, 21, 22 and 23, I will take here. In 20, how many quarters you would have used capital goods? If you have purchased the capital goods on 2nd January, means in 20 you would have used all 4 quarters. In 21 also all 4 quarters. In 22 also all 4 quarters. 10th September means 3 quarters. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, 3 quarters. Total how many quarters? 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3, 15. 15 into 5, how much? 15 into 5, how much? 75% you need to reduce from this. That means how much it becomes? This into 75 reduce means I will take 25% balance. 1,11,500 you can claim it as eligible capital goods credit. I mentioned this one here. Note, ITC and capital goods will be allowed at reduced amount. That is 5% per quarter or part thereof will be reduced from the date of invoice to the date of happening of any of the events specified in section 18(1)(c), 18(1)(d). That means when your exempt goods becomes taxable, 18(1)(c), 18(1)(d), you were in composition scheme. You achieved the threshold limit of composition. Then you becomes the normal supplier in that case. In both the cases, same logic. Understood, guys? for registration within 30 days. If you apply within 30 days, the stock held on the day immediately preceding the day from which he becomes liable to pay. Liable to pay means becomes the when your threshold limit crosses for the registration that day. In our case, 2nd November. A person who takes the registration under subsection 3 of section shall be entitled to take credit input shall be in stock on the day immediately preceding the date of grant of registration. That means when he apply for registration after 30 days. Okay. Ceases to pay tax under section 10. Composition to normal. Composition to normal. In that case, on the day when you become normal taxable person, stock of input like raw material, finished goods and WIP immediately preceding the day from which he becomes payable to tax under section 9. This is normal scheme. Capital goods, credit of capital goods shall be reduced by such percentage points as may be prescribed. Such percentage of point means 5% per quarter you need to reduce. The same thing applicable to exempt supply becomes taxable. That is D. Where a exempt supply of goods or services or both by a registered person becomes taxable. The same thing would have mentioned for capital goods, provided the credit of capital goods shall be reduced by such percentage of points as may be prescribed. What is the time limit they mentioned? Time limit 1 year. Beyond 1 year old invoices, you are not eligible to claim ITC. Okay guys, this is all about special circumstances.